Hello and welcome to Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. Welcome back, I'm Kimberly Tupper, joined again with my business partner and my daughter,
Stella.
Stella, what's coming up?
Valentine's Day.
Sure is, Valentine's Day, so we thought we would create a fun little picture of a dinosaur.
We're drawing maybe we can draw you can add you can add hearts, or you can draw dinosaurs they're celebrating Valentine's Day.
Okay, yes. We are going to draw a dinosaur because I think it's really funny when a dinosaur has its little arms and says, I love you this much.
Yeah.
But our dinosaur, we're going to make him have a little longer arms, which we'll show you at the end.
Yes.
So you can either use this video to draw a dinosaur and stop there, or you can take the dinosaur, give it some extendo arms, and make it into a Valentine's card. Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do this. Let's break everything down into basic shapes. So we're gonna start with the head. Before you go, we are going to do a egg or an oval near the top of the page. This is the head of our dinosaur. Drawing slowly and carefully to get this shape down, which also looks like a what? An oval or a?
Egg.
Egg, yeah. So mine's kind of facing down a little bit. Now from the back of the head, touch that line on the back of your head with your pencil. We're going to do a little curl, swerve. Watch this. Watch how I sweep it out. This is going to be the front of the belly, the body, coming back to the back of the neck, and to the top of the dinosaur. Almost like a teardrop, don't you think, buddy? So if everyone just slows down their drawing a little bit, we can get the shape we want. Now our neck looks like it's a small little thing. Point. See right here on the right? Let's just round that out and connect it and make that neck a little bit more
connected.
Yes, realistic. Okay, so with our erasers, we would be erasing this part, right? We don't need that. I'll help you with that in there. Okay, let's carry on. Okay, let's do the tail. Right here, pencils on the bottom of the body. This is gonna kind of be a little bit of a triangle, rounded triangle. So at the bottom of the body, bring that up a little bit to a point, and then we're gonna bring it right back to the body. See? I said triangle, but maybe it's more like a shark fin.
Yeah.
Right? So maybe you can actually make yours just a little bit thicker, like that. So then again, we're going to erase that part in there because we no longer, I'll help you. We no longer need that. I've got a super cool eraser. Let's get a leg on there. Remember that we need a leg more towards the center. Okay? This one is in the front. It could be like a rectangle, except we don't need the top.
Yeah.
So we're just going to put a little rounded bottom and two sides on that.
Or
okay?
Say that like a U.
And I'm going, oh yes, like a U. Good idea. Maybe it looks like a cup. So this one is the front. We can see this. So it's okay to bring your lines up into the body, and then you'll erase that. Okay. All right. The leg behind is going to come a little bit shorter. So see, yours started there. The next one is going to come just a little bit shorter. And this one, almost the same thickness, but now it's going to tuck behind the body. So I've got a curved bottom line, and that goes right behind there. Okay. Good. Right there. All right. Let's give this guy the front belly. So right here, back up to the neck, we're just gonna look, this is almost like another teardrop, right? You can see the shape right in here. So this is the front. Maybe it could be a cute little pink color. Let's move to the head. We have 2 eyes, okay? So I'm going to draw the eyes a little bit across rather than on a little slant. So the first one, let's start with a good size circle because I like to do my cartoons with nice big eyes.
You don't want to do 3 eyes.
And then the second eye is going to come just a little bit above the line of the head. Okay, so see how your back eye is bigger? The front eye needs to actually be the bigger one. So right there, leave it like that. Inside, let's do another circle, and I'm making them look like they're both on the same side, which is more towards the right, which means there, now we can get rid of that line. Inside this, draw your last little circle. This is the part that we mark out as the white spot in the eye, and we're not going to color it in. So now when I color the black of the eye, I know what not to color. So I got the little white reflection, and I got my eyeball, which is white, coloring the black of the eye. Okay, nostrils. Nostrils need to come. See how my head comes like this? Now my nostrils need to come 2 circles over here, not at the front of your face, not in the middle of your head, but they need to look like this was the line. This would mark 1 nostril and a second nostril. And that little line was just to show you where it goes. There we go. Now our dinosaurs can have be nice and happy. So if we want, we can have a nice little smile right there. If you want, you can add teeth. That's up to you. Now let's do spiky. So right here at the head, right in the middle of where the eyes, let's think of this as kind of a rounded triangle, or for people that like candy corn, could look like candy corn. And we are going to take this same shape and size and move it down the back. And we're just gonna draw individual rounded triangles. But what's a good idea as we get toward the tail? What should we do with the size?
We need to go smaller and then smaller and then smaller.
Yes, so as we get near the end. It's small. And as Stella's finishing up, maybe I'm gonna add a few little eyelashes on my dinosaur just for fun. Okay, we need hands because he loves you this much. Just a little letter C right by the belly. On one side, we'll make a simple little hand. And right across from it, peeking out from that side, 1 little hand as well. Nice, so it needs to connect to the body, but it's coming out behind it. Good. So right here is our sticks that are gonna hold our gloves. That's I love you this much. Draw a little line out. Draw a little line out. Okay. And no, it's okay. And right here, draw a little line right beside it so it looks like it completely matches up. Nice. Okay, tricky part, but pay attention, okay? Inside this stick, I'm gonna hit the end of the line. Look at this, right here. And curve it like that. So it's like a circle, but I'm coming around to the edge.
I'll say that.
So then I just color this.
Or that kind of looks like an oval.
Yep. And so inside, meet up with the edge, and to there. And then when I color it in, this is gonna give this impression that it's the inside. So right here, and then that's your dark part.
Yeah.
So I'm just setting up. I'm actually gonna put a few little lines here. So now remember, your glove has to have a palm. So right here, I've got a thumb, and then I can go, how many fingers?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice. Give this guy some grass to stand on. Nice flat ground. And I love you this much. You ready to color?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do it. I love you this much. We could write that. So you'll see the text here that will help you write it. Let's finish off our Valentine's card. All right, Stella and I are done. We've colored it in, we've outlined it. Let's show them our work. We wrote, I love you this much at the end. So you can make it into a Valentine's card. You can take a picture and upload it so we can see your work. You can make requests. Ask us something that you want to see drawn. What else, Stella?
Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel and come back and visit us some more with some more Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art.
Yeah.
Oh, Stella, cheers to Valentine's Day. And cheers to you guys.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. We'll see you again.
Bye.